We're out here in morning sun of Lindstrom. We're going to take a walk through the Jefferson floor plan, which has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just over 1,400 square feet. So one of the first things you're going to see as you enter the home is a lovely kitchen. This one looks like it's got granite countertops. And one of the nice features of this property is the 8-foot center island, which obviously gives you a ton of storage in the kitchen. You've got a dining room and living room, very open floor plan, recessed ceiling. And then down this hallway, you'll go to the 2 bedrooms, bathrooms, and laundry room. So here is your second bath and second bedroom. And then down this way is the owner's suite, which is right here. So good sized room. And then you've got the owner's bath, which has a low profile lip on the shower, full tiled shower and floor. You've got the stool back in the corner and dual vanities on the cabinets. And then a ton of linen cabinet right there, space for you. Across the mini hallway here, we've got a large walk-in closet for the owner's suite, which is conveniently connected to the laundry room. So that's kind of a unique feature in the Jefferson. This is built by Semler Construction. So if this floor plan or any of the others interest you, feel free to give us a call with the Lock team at Realty Group.